Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. On the menu today, going to make a really easy chicken tomato sauce, plenty of garlic, Italian style. Super easy, super easy. I'm using some chicken thighs here. You can use a different part of the chicken if you want. It's delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. So let's take a look at what we have here then. So chicken, now I'm using chicken thighs. The skin is off, but the bone is in. You could be using any part of the chicken you want. Some breast chicken or some mixed parts if you liked. 1 can of tomatoes, 1 onion, 5 or 6 cloves of garlic. I've chopped mine fairly roughly. You can cut it finer than that. A couple of teaspoons of oregano. Now, if you wanted, you could use one of those kind of Italian mixed herbs or dried basil or something else, but I'm just going with oregano. There's like 100 grams of tomato paste there, and I've got some beautiful Kalamata olives. The stones have been taken out of those. I don't know what have I got there, 10 or a dozen, I'm not sure. We're going to start this off with some olive oil, add some salt and pepper. That's about it. It is super easy. Okay, so I've got some olive oil in there. You could use something different if you want, like a sunflower maybe. I'm going to grab our chicken and we're going to drop that in. And like I say, you can use a different part of the chicken if you want, but I think chicken thighs are really nice dark meat. Okay, we're going to go for about 5 or 6 minutes, get them on the way. I'll be flipping them every now and then. Okay, next up, let's get our onion in and our garlic, our chopped garlic. Also, I'm now going to add salt and some black pepper. And we're going to go for about another 4 minutes. Keep it moving now. So those onions are just taking, the garlic's doing its thing in there. Let's pop those olives in. Now, like I said, I'm using these black calamatas. You could be using black or green. And I'm putting mine in whole. You could chop them if you prefer. Now I'm going to go in with our dried herb. I'm using oregano or oregano, as many of you call that. Let's grab that can of tomatoes, in that goes there. Now they were whole tomatoes. What I've done is I just give them a little crush with my hand, roughly crush them down. We're now going to go with our tomato paste. Which is very simple but delicious. So what we're going to do now is go to a medium heat. I'm going to get a lid on that and let it go for about 8 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, and off goes the heat. Lid off, get some steam out of there. There'll be plenty of steam happening. And that is looking beautiful and super easy to make. Check that for salt and pepper. It's going to be fine for me. I'm going to finish this off now with a little bit of chopped parsley, flat leaf parsley there. Little mix and we're done. If you wanted, you could put a little splash of red or white wine in that. But for me, that's great. With some pasta, some tagliatelle or something like that. Maybe with some rice. Or even with some nice crunchy fresh bread. That's an easy winner. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do leave us a message and say hi. We do like to hear from you. We'll see you soon. Keep safe. Lots of love.